Mochizuki is a New Year tradition when families and friends come together to pound mochi. To me, I feel it's symbolic of people working together towards a common goal where these thousands of grains of rice comes together to create one amazing mochi. Mochi is also used as kazari, where there's a big mochi on the bottom, which is a oyamochi representing a parent, and a small mochi on the top, which is a ko-mochi representing a child. Tangerine represents the dai-dai fruit, which means generations to come. So every year and every generation, improvement needs to occur. Let's all work together to make 2024 an awesome year. Hey, guess what? Hilo Boy, famous Variato brothers. I get basketball players, get golfers, get all kinds, right? But who's the fastest chef?
The man in the pan.
Okay, big shock of the man in the pan. Awesome. Welcome to the man and the pan. Today I'm going to do something super exciting for you. Since it's New Year's, I'm going to do a fried mochi with covered with sesame seed. So you just need a few ingredients, okay? First thing you do, you grab some mochi-ko. But you make sure the mochi-ko is like gluten-free. 1 cup mochi-ko. Everybody says that I don't use Meijin cups, so today I brought my plastic Meijin cup. About a little over 1/4 cup of water. Mix it all up just like this until it comes to one paste. Kind of mix it up just like this, okay? Put in a little oil here, and I grab some anko. Already mixed. Real simple, okay? Well, what I do is I grab this a little bit of mochi-ko, just like this. Okay, kind of smash it down. Scoop some azuki beans right inside, just like this. Smash it over. Take a small ball, just like that. Okay, you see that? Huh? Again, get a little bit of this mochi-ko. Grab some azuki beans. Roll it in a small ball, just like this. Okay? Okay. Oil is hot. So what you do, you grab this mochi here, right? Put it inside some sesame seeds, just like this, and fry it. Just like that, and fry it. Okay? Fried mochi. You fry it on both sides, right? Okay, I think it's about done. Okay? Take it out, put it on nice and towel. Just like this. Okay, the baga look good, but let's see how it tastes. Oh, it's so good. Oh, it's hot, but it's so good. Oh, there you go. The man in the pan. We'll see you next week on another Man in the Pan. Aloha!